Hi everyone, I'm Sunrise May, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take off the gloss nail polish from Dashing Diva. So I've had these on for about 10 days and they've been holding up good. I just kind of lifted this little corner this morning, but for the most part they've held on. My nails haven't chipped, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove these gel strips. So one thing that they do recommend you use is some sort of nail cuticle oil to put at the base of your nail, just to kind of soften it up a little bit. And all they ask you to do is just lift up a little corner, and then again with your thumb you're just going to kind of try to roll it off, and the nail oil just makes it slip a little easier. I sometimes have just pulled it off myself, but this also does let you come off a little easier. And there, that's as simple as it is. No acetone needed, nothing is needed special. And as you can see, my nail is not damaged or in any way, shape, or form has the actual nail strip hurt my nails in any way. And I have actually very weak brittle nails, and these nail strips have really helped out with that. This is the glitter, which is a little bit harder to pull off, but still quite easy. And if you spread the oil a little bit towards the top of your nail, it tends to come off much faster. And there we go. Another nail. I love the fact that there's no UV light required in this for these nail strips. I also like that I can take them off pretty much anywhere. So I've definitely done this many times where I've taken it off on my way up to a trip, especially when it's a long road trip. I can just do it in the car. If I need to do my cuticles, I will do that as well, but at least I don't have to worry about any sort of acetone or nail polish bottle falling in any way, shape, or form in the car. There is no liquid, and like I said, I'm using it with the nail oil right now, but you can use any other type of nail oil that you'd like, or you can just simply peel it off. It does kind of feel a little bit more abrasive when you take it off by itself. It doesn't slide off as easily, but it will come off none the same. And I will have my thumb, just take a little corner, start lifting it, rolling it with my finger, just stretch out like this. And it will peel off just like that. So in under 3 minutes, I was able to remove all 5 of my nails, and now I can move on to my next set of nails, and then you can have your manicure ready in under 20 minutes. Please subscribe below, leave a comment, like my video. I will be posting more as the seasons go along, and I will also post any tutorials that you ask me for when it comes to any sort of travel nail tips that I have. Thank you for watching.